Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to paper trade right here on TradeZero. And if you want to paper trade, the first thing that you need to do is create yourselves an account. So we are going here to TradeZero.com and we click here on Start Trading. Then we select right here Free Paper Trading and then we do Continue. And now you need to fill in your information. So fill in right here your first name, your last name, your country. Fill in your country code with your phone number, your email address, and then your password. Then after that, you need to verify your email address. They send a verification code to your email, fill that in, then click on next again. And then afterwards, you will get an email with a code, and that is your account login code. So right now, if you go back, and we click right here on login, and I click right here, it looks like a code like this. So if you receive the mail, you need to find a code like this in your email. Because with that, you can log in, use your password, and if you click right there on sign in, he will send us right here to this page. Now we get a notification right here, 7 steps to paper trading, so choose your platform, and then afterwards we can start trading. So now if I click here on the cross and I click here on trade and select right here 0 free, he will send us right here to the trade webpage. And it looks very difficult, but if you want to trade or start trading, you already see here the order ticket. So what you can do is search right here for the symbol that you want to use. So I do, for example, right here, NVIDIA. Click on NVIDIA. You can also do right here on the chart. We already have NVIDIA. If you want to change it, you can fill it in right here. And then fill in the quantity, fill in right here your route, your order type, and then you can decide right here if you want to buy, sell, or short. Now let's do buy right now, click on confirm, and now we created ourselves a position on NVIDIA. So this is how you can paper trade right here on TradeZero. If you have any questions about paper trading on TradeZero, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.